to use like rice, bean, pasta. You don't have like bread, because you get everything in there. So the process, see, it's got it here. This is the root. You should peel it up one by one. But the reason the family in the past was big family, 8, 9 kids were helping the moment. Everybody gonna help. So do like this. This new is a grater. But see, in the past I made it from wood and stone. This aluminum. And then when the grater, it should dry up. But dry up, use this. It's like a snake. That's like a condom. And this is exactly the position. And go like this. You put inside the coal. Dry it, hang on like that in this place. This. Then you put a container to keep this juice. You see down here, the stalks, and the same this one. So then you take this water, this yellow juice, to another container carefully, the quantity you want, because this is a poison. If you give it to somebody else, or some animal is gonna kill it because it's a poison. Also they use for making curare together. Curare. You have a jungle walk and I show how to go pipe and and they start to put clean water inside for 3 times. Wash up, see? Yeah. When they do this for 3 times, it's right to make it Indian bread. Maybe São Paulo tried tapioquinha.
See, yeah, remember that thing you bought the morning of the day my mom cooked for you?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of that.
Yeah, that one. This is a tapioquinha. And then when it dry up there, you come to sieve it. Use it for sieve it. This. And then when you sieve it here, then the last process is there. For example, we have 100 kilograms in manioc. You're gonna move there for 1.5 hours. And it be exactly like that, it's ready for you to keep in some container. As I said before, you get everything you imagine in jungle. Because for big family, like this, you put it broth, hot broth. It will be like a cake, be double.
Yeah.
Then you take a piece of fish like this for one kid. This is enough. See? This food. Yeah. See? So this is very, very important for teaching the jungle.